In this video, I'll walk through scripting in TraceRMM. Scripts let you automate tasks across managed devices. You can use them for one-time troubleshooting, scheduled maintenance, recurring automation, software tasks, configuration changes, and general endpoint management. To start, go to Scripts, then open the script library. The script library is where reusable scripts are created and managed. First, I'll create a basic script. Click New Script, give the script a name, and choose the type of script or step you want to add. In this example, I'm creating a simple script to show the basic script creation process. After the script is created, add the script content or script step, then save it. Once the script is saved, it becomes available in the script library and can be run against managed devices. Next, I'll create a second script that uses variables. Variables let you reuse the same script while changing values without editing the script logic every time. TraceRMM supports variables at multiple levels. There are script variables, which are defined directly on the script. There are global variables, which can be reused across the TraceRMM server. And there are client-based variables, which allow different clients to use different values with the same script. This is useful when the script should do the same thing everywhere, but the value changes depending on the environment. For example, you might have a script that creates a file, writes a message, uses a path, references an installer URL, or applies a client-specific configuration value. Instead of hard-coding that value into the script, you define it as a variable and reference it inside the script. When the script runs, TraceRMM resolves the variable and inserts the correct value. Client-based variables are especially useful because the same script can run across multiple clients while using each client's assigned value. That means you do not need to create separate copies of the same script just to change one value. After both scripts are created, they can be run the same way as any other script in TraceRMM. A script can be launched from several places. You can run a script directly from an individual device page. You can select multiple devices and run a script across all of them at once. You can assign scripts to a client, and you can assign scripts to a collection, which lets you target a group of devices instead of choosing each device manually. When running a script, you can choose how it should execute. You can run it once immediately. You can schedule it to run at a specific date and time, or you can configure it to run on a recurring schedule. This lets you use the same scripting system for both immediate fixes and ongoing maintenance. TraceRMM also lets you choose the execution context. Scripts can run as the signed-in user or under the system context. Running as the signed-in user is useful when the script needs access to the user profile, user registry settings, mapped drives, or user-specific application data. Running as system is better for machine-level tasks, services, software installs, registry changes, and administrative endpoint management. After launching the script, you can review the run status and confirm whether it completed successfully. The script history area gives you a broader view of script executions across the environment, including which device the script ran on, when it ran, the status, and the result. So to summarize, the first script shows basic script creation. The second script shows script creation with variables. Variables can be script level, global, or client-based. Scripts can be run against individual devices, multiple selected devices, clients, or collections. They can run once at a scheduled date and time or on a recurring schedule. And they can run as either the signed-in user or the system context. That gives TraceRMM a flexible scripting workflow for both one-off troubleshooting and repeatable endpoint automation.